Join our Discord right now, because people are literally changing their financial lives inside our VIP chat. Every single day, members are entering trades together, learning from each other, and stacking real gains. Just this week, someone turned a small position into something incredible while the whole community watched live. These are regular people who decided to stop watching from the sidelines. They share setups, confirm entries, and celebrate wins together. Nobody is trading alone anymore. The knowledge inside this VIP chat is something you cannot find scrolling social media for free. Your next winning trade could already be posted right now. Click the link below and join before the next big move happens without you. Choose your path. Select the path that best suits your needs. Basic for the essentials, advanced for enhanced growth, or professional for comprehensive solutions to elevate your trading success.